Dump and bake dinner to encourage calm and peace. Welcome to the Supportive Kitchen. Today we're diving into a simple, restorative recipe. Dump and bake dinner to encourage calm and peace. The goal of this meal is to provide nourishing, stress-supportive ingredients with minimal effort, so you can enjoy a calming, restorative experience even during your busiest or most overwhelming days. Before we begin, a gentle reminder. All recipes shared here are for educational and supportive purposes and are not a substitute for medical advice. If you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, please consult a qualified healthcare professional. If you're new here, welcome to the Supportive Kitchen. This is the place where cooking meets mindfulness, ease, and nourishment. Our mission is simple: to provide recipes that are easy, stress-reducing, and restorative for both body and mind. By subscribing to the Supportive Kitchen, you'll gain access to a growing library of recipes and tips designed to reduce mealtime overwhelm with simple restorative recipes, encourage mindful cooking and sensory engagement, support stress relief and emotional balance, and transform everyday meals into calming rituals. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new recipe designed to nurture both your body and your mind. By joining our supportive cooking community, you'll have a space to explore nourishing meals, share experiences, and cultivate calm in your daily life, even on the busiest days. Ingredient breakdown: dump and bake dinner. 1. Proteins, foundation for calm. Option A, salmon or whitefish. Functional role: omega-3 acids support nervous system regulation, reduce stress-related inflammation, and promote a sense of mental calm. Flavor profile: mild, slightly sweet, and rich. Absorbs seasonings beautifully. Zero prep hack: use pre-portioned skin-on fillets or individually frozen fish that require no defrosting beyond a short soak in cold water. Option B, chickpeas or lentils, plant-based protein. Functional role: plant-based protein with fiber and polyphenols that stabilize blood sugar and support gut health, contributing to calmer moods. Flavor profile: earthy and slightly nutty, complements spices and roasted vegetables. Zero prep hack: use canned chickpeas or pre-cooked lentils. Simply drain and rinse to remove excess sodium. 2. Vegetables, stress-reducing nutrients. Root vegetables: carrots, sweet potatoes, parsnips. Functional role: slow digesting carbohydrates help stabilize blood sugar and provide grounding energy, supporting calm. Flavor profile: naturally sweet and earthy. Softens when baked, releasing a gentle aroma that encourages relaxation. Zero prep hack: use pre-cut frozen root vegetables to save time. Leafy greens: spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Functional role: high in magnesium and folate that support neurotransmitter balance and stress reduction. Flavor profile: slightly bitter, earthy. Adds freshness and color contrast. Zero prep hack: pre-washed, bagged greens can be added toward the end of baking or lightly sautéed afterward. Bell peppers and zucchini. Functional role: rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, supporting immune health and reducing oxidative stress. Flavor profile: sweet, slightly crisp, and adds visual appeal and texture contrast. Zero prep hack: choose pre-sliced or frozen varieties for quick assembly. 4. Herbs and spices, calm enhancers. Garlic and onion. Functional role: natural anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds can enhance circulation and digestion. Flavor profile: pungent and savory. Mellow during baking, releasing a soothing aroma. Zero prep hack: use jarred minced garlic or pre-chopped onions. Turmeric and ginger. Functional role: strong anti-inflammatory compounds that gently reduce cortisol and oxidative stress. Flavor profile: Warm, slightly earthy with a hint of spice. Zero prep hack. Pre-grated fresh ginger or powdered versions can be sprinkled directly onto proteins or vegetables. Fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, parsley. Functional role. Antioxidants and phytonutrients support calm, reduce inflammation, and provide a sensory pause through aroma. Flavor profile. Bright, fragrant, earthy. Zero prep hack. Use dried herbs or pre-chopped fresh herbs for convenience. 4. Healthy fats, satiety, and mood support. Olive oil or avocado oil. Functional role. Monounsaturated fats support stable blood sugar, brain function, and calm energy. Flavor profile. Mild, buttery, enhances roasted flavors. Zero prep hack. Pre-measured portions in small containers make assembly fast and controlled. Nuts or seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds. Functional role. Omega-3s, protein, and fiber contribute to nervous system balance and prolonged satiety. Flavor profile. Crunchy and nutty, adds texture contrast to soft baked vegetables. Zero prep hack. Toasted or raw seeds can be sprinkled directly onto the dish before serving. 5. Optional additions for extra calm. Lemon or citrus zest enhances flavor, adds vitamin C, and encourages an uplifting sensory experience. Whole grain base like quinoa, farro, or brown rice provides slow digesting carbohydrates, fiber, and grounding energy to enhance the calming effect of the meal. Zero prep hack. Use pre-cooked or microwave-ready grains. Recipe: calm and peace dump and bake tray. Step 1. Preheat and prepare. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper or a lightly greased roasting pan. This ensures easy cleanup and prevents sticking, reducing post-cooking stress. Step 2. Assemble the proteins. Place salmon fillets, pre-cooked chicken, or drained chickpeas in the center or one side of the tray. Drizzle lightly with olive oil and season with salt, black pepper, turmeric, and grated ginger. Optional variation. For plant-based diners, layer tofu or tempeh instead of fish, marinated in a little soy sauce, turmeric, and olive oil. Step 3. Add root vegetables and aromatics. Scatter pre-cut carrots, sweet potatoes, and parsnips around the proteins. Add garlic cloves, whole or halved, and onion wedges for aroma. Drizzle lightly with olive oil and sprinkle dried herbs like thyme or rosemary. Toss gently with your hands or a spatula to coat evenly. Step 4. Incorporate additional vegetables. Add bell peppers, zucchini, or other seasonal vegetables to fill remaining tray space. Keep similar sizes together to ensure even cooking. Step 5. Bake and monitor. Place the tray in the preheated oven, bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Check proteins in vegetables, salmon should flake easily, root vegetables should be tender, and chickpeas slightly crisp. Step 6. Add leafy greens, optional. If using quick cooking leafy greens like spinach or kale, add them to the tray for the final 2 to 3 minutes of baking or sauté lightly on the stovetop. Functional insight. Magnesium-rich greens help reduce tension and promote relaxation. Step 7. Plate and garnish. Transfer the baked tray contents to plates. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle toasted seeds or nuts, and add fresh lemon juice or zest for brightness. Sprinkle smoked paprika or sumac over vegetables before baking. Herbal twist. Add fresh parsley, cilantro, or dill after baking to elevate freshness and phytonutrient content. 1. Flavor and ingredient variations. A. Protein variations. Salmon or white fish retains anti-inflammatory omega-3s, supports calm, can be swapped with tilapia, cod, or trout, depending on preference or availability. Plant-based options, chickpeas, lentils, tofu, or tempeh, can replace fish while maintaining protein content and stabilizing blood sugar. Marinate lightly in olive oil, turmeric, and garlic for flavor depth. B. Vegetable variations. Root vegetable swaps. Sweet potatoes, butternut squash, carrots, or parsnips can be interchanged based on season or preference. Each provides slow digesting carbohydrates, grounding energy, and naturally sweet flavors. Leafy green swaps, spinach, kale, or Swiss chard, can be rotated for magnesium-rich, stress-supportive nutrients. Quick cooking greens can be added in the last 2 to 3 minutes of baking. Color and texture variations. Add red cabbage, bell peppers, or zucchini for visual appeal and a broader range of phytonutrients. C. Spice and herb enhancements. Calm-boosting spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and a pinch of cinnamon support anti-inflammatory pathways and gentle stress reduction. Herbal aromatics like fresh parsley, cilantro, rosemary, or thyme can be sprinkled post-bake to enhance antioxidants, aroma, and the calming sensory experience. D. Citrus and healthy fat variations. Citrus, like lemon or lime zest, adds brightness and vitamin C, enhancing mood. Fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or a few slices of avocado provide heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that support stable energy and mental calm. 2. Batch cooking and storage tips. A. Prepare ahead. Assemble multiple trays at once, using separate containers for proteins, vegetables, and grains. Store in the fridge for 2 to 3 days or freeze for longer-term meal prep. Pre-measured spices and pre-washed vegetables reduce decision fatigue during stressful days. B. Reheating for optimal calm. Reheat in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes to retain texture and flavor. Avoid high-speed microwaving that can dry vegetables or proteins, as sensory enjoyment is part of the calming ritual. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a drizzle of olive oil post-reheat to restore aroma and flavor. C. Quick low-energy days. Even with minimal energy, you can assemble a single tray in 5 to 10 minutes. Pre-cooked proteins, frozen vegetables, pre-measured herbs and spices. Let the oven do the work. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, here's how to continue your journey toward calm, restorative cooking. Subscribe to The Supportive Kitchen to access more stress-reducing, mindful recipes. Comment below with your favorite variations or tips for adding calm to busy weeknights. Share this video with friends or family who could benefit from nourishing, low-stress dinners. Remember, even on the busiest or most overwhelming days, small, intentional moments in the kitchen can restore peace and support well-being. From my kitchen to yours, thank you for allowing yourself this time to nourish, calm, and care for your body and mind. I can't wait to cook with you again soon.